Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to set up or enable casting media to device in the Microsoft Edge web browser. In a quick info about casting media to another device is a feature of Windows that allows you to stream content from your computer to your televisions, Xbox, or any Miracast or DLNE Digital Living Network Alliance supported device, and also can transfer and control music or video across connected device. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang Microsoft Edge web browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner, select mo na yung 3 dot icon. And then select mo lang dito yung More Tools. So dito sa More Tools, select mo lang dito yung Cast Media to Device. Click mo lang dito. And then automatic dito sa kanyang Cast tab and then looking for device. So wait mo lang na mag-connect dito yung device natin at mag-appear dito. And then i-click mo lang siya and then automatically na mako-connect dito sa Cast tab mga kaibigan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin enable ang casting media to device in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.